So this is the complex bone model. Actually, I have I want to apply mesh in this body, so I make three parts: 1, 2, and 3. The reason to divide into three parts is that this is very complex body. Okay, it's called curves and multiple faces. So the idea behind that is we all want to make mesh very good. Okay, so after dividing this body into three parts, the mesh will become hex dominant at condyles. You can see there 4-sided hexagonal mesh. Okay, then I tried to apply hexagonal mesh in this shaft, but I have failed. So I generated refined triangular mesh. The quality of mesh, as you can see here, metric skewness. Element quality is very good. There are some element of quality, but most of the elements are very good quality. Combination ratio is also very good, and skewness is absolutely phenomenal. Yes. Okay, so by dividing the geometry into two parts, I have achieved a good quality mesh. You must need to re-enter your unit system into millimeter or the system in which you have designed in model. Okay, go to geometry, edit geometry and design modeler. So see how I divide the geometry into three parts for better mesh generation. I have designed this femur bone in PTC Creo and imported in ANSYS workbench for advanced implicit and explicit simulation. So after entering a design modeler, you first must change unit to millimeter, because I have designed in millimeter. Then click import, generate. If you by mistake forget to change the unit, your model will not generate. There is one part, okay, whole part, but if we directly import this part in here, ANSYS generate very irregular mesh, very irregular mesh. So I slice the body, go to create, slice by surface, select this surface, click on generate. Now there is three bodies, 1, 2, 3. Now I want three bodies for one part. Select three, all part by step by step control, form new part, click on generate. This is now one body of three parts. Go to mesh, model, we click yes. Now you will see the mesh body in mechanical.